Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned out. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
Building my life. All over again. I don't think I've been showing up as the person I want to become. So today, I just want to be honest about where I am and where I want to go. Recently, I feel like I'm entering like a new phase of my life. So, new things, new phase require new change, right? New you. And that is exactly what I'm going to try to do this 2026. Yeah. So I feel like I'm starting over, not because things are bad. Why I'm doing this, like, when there's this like part of your life where it's like you just wake up, eat, sleep, repeat, wake up, eat, sleep, repeat. Doing work, doing scrolling, just being lazy sometimes. And when my mind tells me that I'm going to be productive today, all of a sudden it just, before you know it, night has come, the day is gone, and you're just like, well, look who said who wanted to be productive. So yeah, I feel like rebuilding my life gives me a better opportunity to change myself and like become a new version. What are things I want to improve? For an example, doom scrolling. I want to stop it because of the amount of screen time I have. It's not healthy. Do other things, make yourself happy. Because when you stay in a particular place for like a very long time, doing the same thing, you just become bored out of your mind, where you even get tired of scrolling your phone. Yeah, there are some points that at sometimes you just don't know what to do with your phone anymore. You just come to like the background, you swipe this, swipe that, TikTok, no, YouTube, no. You just don't scroll, but you still find yourself to scrolling. Like, I'm tired, but I don't want to stop. So yeah, there's more to life than just scrolling. What do I often want to change about myself? Consistency. I figured out because before I do any vlog, I always like watch vlogs and things related to my niche. To be like consistent, you have to write down your goals. Let's use for an example, I write down my goals on a paper and like I list everything about me that I think I have a problem with and I would like to change. So let's say out of everything I have 10, and out of those 10 I have to pick like the very important ones. Starting from little, I'll just pick 2. Maybe we say doom scrolling and being less productive. So how do I want to change my consistency? Giving time for everything. Like, one thing I figured out about consistency is that there must be time for everything. So let's say when I'm washing out plates or when I'm doing something, I always have my timer on because I'll be like, okay, this plate, I'm going to wash it out. I set 10 minutes on my phone, and before you see it, you find yourself doing that thing under that 10 minutes because sometimes you don't want the minutes to finish. You want to finish before the minutes. And you see yourself doing it, and by the time you finish, time has gone productive. Instead of saying, oh, I'm going to do this thing, but maybe not now. And not now might never be tonight. So now I have to be consistent with my login. And how do I want to do that? I made a timetable for myself. I'm going to share it with you guys. So I made a timetable for myself on how I'm going to log, different days for different things. So it won't be too overwhelming. So the type of person I want to become. Well, I want to become somebody that is organized. Somebody that is like satisfied with themselves and feel like you've seen progress, you've seen change in the good work you've done, and books I've read. You just start now. Now is the best time to start instead of waiting for motivation. And maybe along the way motivation will come when you start now. So what I normally do sometimes is that I just write a list of what I want to be. So I call that list of what I want to be called I want. So yeah, like I just list 10 things, like I want to be a good person, I want to maintain my faith in Christ, I want to have a healthy body, I want to have a good study plan, good grades, and yeah. So, and you also have the I want to do it and the I want to stop doing. So the I want to stop doing it, I want to stop doing schooling, I want to stop being unproductive. Some of the bad characteristics that actually pull you from being what you actually want to become. So there are 3 things. I want to be, first one. Second, I want to stop doing. And the third, I want to start focusing. So it's like the past, present, and future tense, if I put it that way. So I want to start focusing on myself, things that make me productive. Like I want to focus on my admission, I want to focus on getting into uni, I want to focus on my vlog, I want to focus on my nail and lashes learning. So yeah, a lot of things to focus on. Only if you have a plan and you're consistent and you are ready to change. So like I'm learning that growth doesn't happen all at once. It's the like small things you do consistently. So what are my goals? My goals are university chapter, my building skills, becoming more independent, and taking myself seriously. And to achieve this, I feel like my habits, my daily habits are like organizing my space, because when you walk in a clean space, your brain mentally picks up that okay, this is neat, and just makes organizing things a little bit better, planning my days and learning something new. So I don't have everything figured out yet, but I want to document this stage of my life because I know I'm growing, and maybe future me is definitely going to be proud of me for taking this step. So yeah, so this is just the beginning, and I'm excited to see who I become maybe in the next 2 years. Let's get on this. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Maybe that one would be about my admission process and tips on admission into university from my own experience. So yeah, bye lovelies, love ya.